Have you ever wondered how a simple coconut picked from a tropical tree is transformed into premium coconut milk, coconut oil, coconut cream, coconut flour, and refreshing coconut water found on supermarket shelves around the world? Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced coconut processing factories to witness every step of this fascinating journey. Welcome back to Process Insight. Coconuts are among the most valuable tropical fruits on Earth. Every single part of the coconut can be used, making it one of the most efficient agricultural products in the food industry. But before these products reach millions of consumers, each coconut passes through a highly organized harvesting, inspection, processing, and packaging system designed to ensure maximum quality and food safety. The journey begins in large tropical coconut plantations, where thousands of coconut trees grow under ideal warm and humid conditions. Farmers carefully maintain the plantations throughout the year by pruning old leaves, monitoring tree health, and providing proper irrigation whenever necessary. Unlike many other fruits, coconuts are harvested at different stages depending on their final purpose. Younger coconuts are selected for fresh coconut water, while fully mature coconuts are preferred for coconut meat and oil production. Once harvested, the coconuts are collected, loaded onto trucks, and transported directly to modern processing factories. Here, the real industrial journey begins. As each truck arrives at the factory, every shipment is weighed before unloading. Quality control technicians immediately begin inspecting random samples from each batch. They carefully examine the size, maturity, shell condition, coconut water volume, and meat thickness. This inspection ensures only coconuts meeting strict production standards continue to the next stage. Any damaged or low-quality fruits are removed before processing begins. After passing inspection, the approved coconuts move onto automated conveyor belts leading to the cleaning section. Powerful washing machines equipped with high-pressure water jets and rotating industrial brushes remove dust, dirt, loose fibers, and any surface contamination collected during harvesting and transportation.
Even though the coconuts will undergo several additional processing stages, this first cleaning step plays an important role in maintaining hygiene throughout the entire production process. By eliminating external contaminants early, factories significantly reduce the risk of contamination during food processing. From the washing line, the coconuts are transferred to automated dehusking machines. The thick outer husk surrounding each coconut is extremely tough, making manual removal slow and labor-intensive. Modern dehusking machines solve this challenge by gripping each coconut securely and removing the fibrous husk within seconds without damaging the hard inner shell. Once the husk has been removed, the coconuts reveal their hard brown shells, ready for the next stage of industrial processing. After dehusking, the coconuts move along automated conveyor systems toward the cutting section. At this stage, precision is extremely important because every coconut must be opened cleanly without damaging the valuable white meat inside. Industrial cutting machines use specially designed circular blades to split each coconut into two equal halves within seconds. As the shells separate, the fresh coconut water is collected through dedicated channels. Depending on the factory's production line, this coconut water may either be processed into bottled beverages or sent for further filtration and sterilization. The freshly opened coconuts then continue to the meat extraction section. Although the shell is extremely hard, the white coconut meat inside must remain intact to maintain product quality. Modern extraction machines carefully separate the meat from the shell using specially designed mechanical tools that minimize waste while maximizing recovery. After extraction, every piece of coconut meat passes through another washing system. Clean, food-grade water removes tiny shell particles and any remaining impurities before the meat continues to the trimming process. During trimming, automated peeling machines remove the thin brown skin attached to the coconut meat. This step produces the bright white appearance required for premium food products. Workers stationed along the production line also perform visual inspections, removing any imperfect pieces to maintain consistent quality. Once cleaned and trimmed, the coconut meat is automatically divided into different production lines depending on the final product being manufactured.
One of the largest production lines is dedicated to coconut milk and coconut cream. Here, the fresh coconut meat enters powerful industrial grinders that reduce it into a fine, moist slurry. Grinding increases the surface area of the coconut, allowing manufacturers to extract as much rich coconut liquid as possible. The coconut slurry is then transferred into high-pressure hydraulic presses. Under tremendous pressure, the machines squeeze out thick, creamy liquid that contains natural coconut fat, flavor, and nutrients. This freshly extracted liquid forms the foundation for both coconut milk and coconut cream. To ensure a smooth and uniform texture, the liquid passes through homogenization equipment. Homogenization evenly distributes the natural coconut fat throughout the mixture, preventing separation during storage and improving the final product's consistency. Next comes pasteurization, one of the most important food safety stages in the factory. The coconut milk is heated to carefully controlled temperatures for a specific amount of time. This process destroys harmful microorganisms while preserving the natural taste, aroma, and nutritional value of the product. Depending on customer requirements, the processed liquid may be packaged as light coconut milk, full-fat coconut milk, or thick coconut cream. Each product follows slightly different formulations before entering the packaging department. Meanwhile, another production line focuses on manufacturing desiccated coconut. Instead of extracting liquid, fresh coconut meat is finely shredded using high-speed stainless steel shredding machines. The shredded coconut then moves through large industrial drying tunnels where carefully controlled hot air removes excess moisture without affecting its natural flavor. Maintaining the correct drying temperature is essential because excessive heat can reduce product quality, while insufficient drying shortens shelf life. Once drying is complete, the desiccated coconut passes through vibrating screens that separate different particle sizes according to customer specifications. Whether intended for bakery products, confectionery, cereals, or desserts, every batch is carefully graded to ensure consistent quality. At the same time, another portion of the dried coconut is processed into coconut flour. High-capacity milling machines grind the dried coconut into a fine powder before advanced screening systems ensure a smooth and uniform texture. Coconut flour has become increasingly popular worldwide due to its versatility in baking and food manufacturing. As multiple production lines operate simultaneously, every stage is continuously monitored by computerized control systems that regulate temperature, pressure, processing speed, and product consistency. These automated systems help maintain high production efficiency while ensuring that every coconut product meets strict international food safety standards. While coconut milk and desiccated coconut are being produced, another major production line focuses on one of the factory's most valuable products, coconut oil. Fresh coconut meat is carefully prepared before entering advanced oil extraction equipment. Depending on the product being manufactured, factories use different extraction methods. For virgin coconut oil, the process is designed to preserve the coconut's natural nutrients, aroma, and flavor. Fresh coconut meat is processed using modern cold pressing or centrifugation technology. These methods minimize heat exposure, helping retain the oil's natural quality. The extracted oil then flows through multiple filtration systems that remove tiny particles while keeping the oil crystal clear. For refined coconut oil, the extraction process is optimized for large-scale industrial production. Mechanical extraction equipment separates the oil efficiently before it undergoes purification and fine filtration to achieve the consistency required for food manufacturing, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and personal care products. Once extraction is complete, every batch of coconut oil is transferred to large stainless steel storage tanks designed to maintain cleanliness and product stability before packaging. Before any coconut product can leave the factory, it must pass through a strict quality assurance program.
Inside the laboratory, trained technicians collect samples from every production batch. They examine appearance, purity, moisture levels, consistency, and overall product quality using advanced testing equipment. These inspections help ensure that every product meets both factory standards and international food safety requirements. Only after receiving laboratory approval are the products released for final packaging. The packaged products now move to one of the busiest areas of the factory, the automated filling and packaging department.
Here, high-speed filling machines accurately dispense coconut water, coconut milk, coconut cream, and coconut oil into cartons, cans, bottles, or other food-grade containers. Computer-controlled systems ensure that every package receives the correct amount of product, minimizing waste while maintaining consistency across thousands of units every hour. Immediately after filling, automated sealing machines create airtight packages that help preserve freshness during transportation and long-term storage. The containers then continue to labeling machines, where each product receives professionally printed labels containing nutritional information, ingredients, production dates, expiration dates, batch numbers, and complete traceability details. This information allows every package to be tracked throughout the supply chain if necessary. Following labeling, the finished products move through automatic inspection systems equipped with high-speed sensors and cameras. These systems instantly detect damaged containers, incorrect labels, underfilled packages, or sealing defects. Any package that fails inspection is automatically removed from the production line, ensuring that only high-quality products reach consumers. Approved products continued toward robotic palletizing stations. Powerful robotic arms rapidly organize thousands of cartons, bottles, and containers onto pallets with remarkable speed and precision. This automated process not only increases efficiency, but also reduces manual handling and minimizes the risk of product damage. The completed pallets are securely wrapped with protective film to keep the product stable during transportation. From here, forklifts transfer the finished pallets into massive climate-controlled warehouses where inventory management systems continuously monitor stock levels and organize shipments for domestic distribution and international export. Every day, thousands of premium coconut products leave these facilities bound for supermarkets, restaurants, food manufacturers, cosmetic companies, and pharmaceutical industries across the globe. What begins as a single coconut growing high on a tropical palm ultimately becomes a wide range of products enjoyed by millions of people every day. Modern coconut processing combines skilled agriculture, advanced engineering, strict quality control, and fully automated manufacturing to transform one of nature's most versatile fruits into safe, high-quality products ready for the global market. Thank you for watching Process Insight. If you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of modern coconut processing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next journey inside the world's most advanced factories and food production facilities. Until next time, thanks for watching.